In this video, we are going to talk about solving equations with variables on both sides. Let's look at these examples. Now, the difference of these equations from the previous ones are that the variables are in both sides. As in here, you see, the variables are either in both in left and the right hand side. So what we have to do is we have to simplify this equation so that the variables will be on one side, the numbers will be on the other side. So let's see how. Now, it is better to cancel the variable which is smaller. In this question, the smaller variable is 4k. So I will say minus 4k from both sides, so that these will be simplified. I will have 7 minus 4, 3k on the left hand side, which is equal to nothing but 15. Then I know how to solve this equation. Since this is multiplication here, 3 and k, I will divide by 3. When I simplify, I will have k alone being 5. In the second equation, the smaller variable is 3x. So I will go like minus 3x from both sides, so that in the right hand side there won't be any variable anymore. In the left hand side it is 5 minus 3, 2x minus 2 equals 4. Now I know how to solve this. I will go like plus 2 for both sides. So I will cancel this 2. Then it will be 2x equals 4 plus 2 is 6. Then I will divide both sides by 2 to leave x alone. And here, to keep the balance, I divide by 2, I get 3. So this is how I solve the equations. Basically, the idea is to simplify the equation so that the variables will be on one side and the numbers will be on the other side. Let's solve a couple of more questions. Now, in these examples, we have variables on both sides, plus we have to use our previous information of expansion of brackets and simplifying like terms. Now let's look at the first one. Here we have 2 times in brackets y plus 6 equals 3y. Now what we have to do first is that we have to expand the brackets, meaning we will multiply 2 by every term inside the brackets. So it will be 2 times y, which is 2y, plus 2 times 6, 12. This is equal to 3y. So I have to simplify this by taking the variables on one side, and I'll go like minus 2y from both sides because this is the smaller variable. So when I cancel this, I am left with 12. On the right hand side it is 3 minus 2, 1y. So I just found the answer, y equals 12. That's it. Now in the second one, again there is expansion here. I will multiply 3 by 1 and I will multiply 3 by minus 2k. So it will be, on the left hand side there is nothing, just 2k minus 5. In the right hand side is 3 times 1, 3, 3 times minus 2, minus 6k. Now, you can think that 6k here is bigger than 2k, but you have to consider it together with the minus sign. So this means this is minus 6k, this is 2k over here, 2k is bigger than minus 6k, so it is better if you cancel minus 6k. But let's now cancel 2k, because canceling the bigger variable is not wrong, just that it is a little bit harder and you are more likely to make a mistake but if you do everything correct, there is no problem. So this time, instead of minus 6k, I will cancel 2k. So it will be minus 2k from both sides. So it will be cancelled from the left hand side. I will have minus 5 to be 3, minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8k. You have to be very careful with the signs. Then I will cancel 3 here, minus 3 from both sides because 3 is positive. This minus sign here belongs to 8k, so I think 3 as positive, so I have to subtract. So I cancel these. I go like minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8 here, sorry, which is equal to minus 8k. When I divide both sides by minus 8, I leave k alone, and minus 8 divided by minus 8 is 1. So this is also possible. Either you cancel the bigger variable or the smaller variable. If everything is correct, you should find the same answer. Just that if you cancel the bigger variable, you deal with negative variables here like minus 8k, and you are more likely to make a mistake. So I suggest you to go with the cancellation of small variables. Let's look at the last example. Now here I have to expand the brackets in the right hand side. 2 minus 2 times 1 minus 2 times minus b, and on the other hand there are like terms here. I have to also simplify those two. Now it is 3 minus 5b plus 2b minus 5 plus 2 will give me minus 3. So it will be 3 minus 3b equals, now I will expand, minus 2 minus 2 times 1 is 2, minus 2 times minus b, minus times minus will be plus, so it's minus 2b. Here again we have like terms, minus 2 and minus 2, so it will be like 3 minus 3b equals minus 2 makes minus 4, so it's minus 4 plus 2b. Now I have to cancel one of the variables. Since this is minus 3b and this is plus 2b, the smaller variable is minus 3b. I will add 3b to both sides, so that I cancel these. I have 3 left on the left hand side. I have minus 4 plus 2 plus 3 is 5b on the right hand side. Then I will go plus 4 for both sides to cancel these. So I will have 5b equals 7. Dividing by 5, I will get my b alone, which is 7 over 5. You can also write 1.4. Now is your turn.